Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Sent money to the wrong Vodafone Cash number? Don't panic. Here's how to reverse it first. First of all, grab your phone and dial star 110 hash to access the Vodafone Cash menu. Now choose option 6, My account from the list. Next, select option 7 for self-service to access reversal options. Then tap on option 2, self-reversal, and wait for Vodafone to process your request. Remember, this only works for transactions sent from Vodafone Cash to another Vodafone Cash number. Vodafone will investigate and once confirmed, your money will be refunded. And that's it. Quick and simple. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more money saving tips. Thanks for watching.